All right, students, I'm going to be answering some questions for the 5.2 puzzle time assignment. We'll start with some of these. The first ones basically are just changing forms. So by definition, to go from this to exponent form, 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent. So 3 to the power of 2 equals 9. And the nice thing about this, it only makes sense one way. It wouldn't make sense to say 2 to the third equals 9. That's not true. Or 9 to 2 equals 3. That's not true either. So that's the way we're going to do this, and that's pretty much it. It's always log base b of a number equals p. Okay, so it's base to the power equals the number. That's all it always is. This one to this power equals the number. So what that is, that's exponent form down here, that's log form up there. Okay, so have that next to you the whole time you're working through homework so it just gets ingrained in your brain. Because the next part then, for 7, for 5 through so on, it's going to say change to the other form. So we're 7 to 49. So this is a true statement. We're just changing the form, saying log base 7 of 49 equals 2. And that's just the definition. That's the setup for it. It's really just a knowing which one goes where in a logarithm. So logarithms always have a base. You're always taking the log of some number, and it's always equal to something. So that's how it goes. Okay, so those are all pretty much the same. So follow that method through all those ones. Where I'm expecting people got a little bit stuck was here. So log base 2 of 64, how do you do that, or what is it equal to? Well, what we do is we say it's equal to something. We don't know what. So you could put a box, you could put a question mark. We'll go ahead and put x. Okay, let me move this over here so you can see. We don't tend to think in this form. So first thing I'm going to do is change forms. Now, the base is 2, so it's 2 to the x equals 64. Now, without a calculator, it's kind of hard to know 2 to what power equals 64. Okay. So what we want to try and do is write 64 as 2 to some power. Now, all these problems is going to be, there's going to be a way to do that. So for us, what we're going to do is go 64. Well, I happen to know that's 8 times 8. And then we happen to know that 8 is 2 times 4, and 8 is 2 times 4. And as long as it can break down more, you go down further. So 4 is 2 times 2, 4 is 2 times 2. So if you follow this down, all the bottom edges of the branches, all these 2's, not the 4's, because that wasn't, there was branches below it, just all the last branches, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, we get 2 to the x equals 2 to the 6. Therefore, if these bases are equal, if 2 equals 2, then x must equal 6. Okay. The setup's pretty much the same on all of these. Be careful, you will get some negatives. Okay, but it will work itself out. For all of these, you should be able to get these to be same base, like 2 and 2, or 4 and 4, or 7 and 7, whatever it is. So try that out. Hopefully it helps, and bring questions to class tomorrow.